जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMS समाचार चैनल from the international world. Afghanistan, officially the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, is a landlocked country in Central and South Asia. Afghanistan is bordered by Pakistan to the east and south, Iran to the west, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan and Tajikistan to the north, and China to the northeast, occupying 6,52,000 square kilometers. It is an mountainous country with plains in north and southwest. Kabul is the capital and largest city. The population is around 32 million, mostly composed of ethnic Pashtuns, Tajiks, Hazaras and Uzbeks. Throughout history, with trade relations between these regions date back to at least the Han Dynasty with the profitable Silk Road. Bilateral relations between Afghanistan and India have remained strong and friendly over the decades. Afghanistan and India have been historical neighbors and share cultural ties through Bollywood and cricket. The Republic of India was the only South Asian country to recognize the Soviet-backed Democratic Republic of Afghanistan in 1980s, though relations were diminished during 1990s Afghan civil war and the Taliban government. India may hold joint secretary level talks in China today amid tension over LSE. Education. After the result of UP board result, for the first time, student will get a mark sheet with digital signature. Sacraments. Corona Ministry answer questions in the circle of questions as soon as it is launched. Environment. Kalambi River is a tidal storm river in and around in the Sundarbans in North 24 Pargans district in the Indian state of West Bengal, bordering on Saktira district of Bangladesh. The Ichamati breaks up into several tributaries below Heen Gangalanj, the chief of which are Rai Mangal Vidya Jhila Kalindin and Jamuna. These fan out into wide stories in the Sundarban. Invention of phonograph is its later forms, also called a gramophone. The 1940s, also called a recorder player, is a device for the mechanical recording and reproduction of sound. The sound vibration waveforms are recorded as corresponding physical divisions for a spiral groove engraved, attached, incised or impressed into the surface of a rotating cylinder or disc called a record. Great person. Baba Kinaram was an Aghori ascetic born in Chandoli, India. Kinaram is believed to be the originator of the Aghori sect by some sources. However, the sect by have been mentioned in several ancient Hindu religious texts. He was considered to be the incarnation of Lord Shiva. Aghoracharya Baba Kinaram was born on Aghor Chaturdashi in 1601 AD at Ramgarh village of Varanasi district of Uttar Pradesh of state India. State Delhi. The national capital territory of Delhi is a city and a union territory of India containing New Delhi, the capital of India. It is bordered by the state of Haryana on the three sides by Uttar Pradesh to the east. The NCT covers an area of 1,484 square kilometers according to 2011 census, Delhi's city proper population was over 11 million, the second highest in India after Mumbai, while the whole city's population was about 16.8 million. Delhi's urban area is now considered to extend beyond the NCT boundaries and included the neighboring satellite cities of Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Gurgaon and Noida in an area called the National Capital Region and had a estimated 2016 population of over 26 million people, making it the world's second largest urban area according to the United Nations. Crops. Kuttu is a lentil and vegetable stew in South Indian, particularly Tamil Kerala cuisine. Etymology of Kittu derives from the Tamil word kottu, which means add vegetable added with lentils from the dish, which is semi-solid in consistency. The dish is noted for its nutty and complex flavors and textures, lying owing to the liberal additions of lentils and coconuts. Fruits. Blueberries are perennial flowering plants with blue or purple berries. They are classified in this section Cyanocossus with the genus Vaccinium. Vaccinium also includes cranberries, bilberries, huckleberries, and Madeira berries. Commercial blueberries, both wild and cultivated, are all native to North America. Flowered Cassia fistula, commonly known as golden sour, Perjuning cassia, Indian laburnum or pudding pie tree is a flowering plant in the subfamily Cassala of the Lycium family Fabaceae. This species is native to the Indian subcontinent and adjacent regions of Southeast Asia. Yoga, Halasan or plug pose is an inverted asana in Hatha yoga and modern yoga as exercise in variation Kanpidasana with the knees by the ears and Suptkonasana with the feet wide apart. Benefits of Halasan: claims the brain, stimulates the abdominal organs and the thyroid gland, stretch the shoulders and spine. Universe. The Himalaya is a mountain range in Asia separating the plains of the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau. The range has many of Earth's highest peaks, including the highest Mount Everest. The Himalayas include over 50 mountains exceeding 7,200 meters in elevation, including 10 of the 14 8,000 meter peaks. By contrast, the highest peak outside Asia is 6,961 meter tall. Maths. Accounting program usually require business and management courses as well as statistics. A comfort level with whole numbered fractions, decimals, percentage, ratio, order of operation, exponents and some general algebra is what will most of need to draw on in accounting work. Ayurveda. Hypsioma chadilla is a species of beetle in the family Cerambacidia. It is described by Dillon in 1945. It is known from Brazil. Village town. Guwahati is a sprawling city beside the Brahmaputra river in the northeast Indian state of Assam. It is known for holy sites like the hilltop Kankhaya temple featuring sites to the Hindu deities Shiva and Vishnu. To the east, 18th century Navgrah temple is an astronomical center and with planetary shrines. Upnanda temple dedicated to Shiva and covered with engraving stands on Peacock Island in the water. Kedarnath temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva located in the Garhwal Himalayan range. Near the Mandakini river, Kedarnath is located in the state of Uttarakhand, India. Due to extreme weather conditions, the temple is open to the general public only between the months of April and November. The autumn full moon during the winters, the Vigraha from Kedarnath temple is carried down to Ukhimath and where the deity is worshipped for the next 6 months. Today's event 1622 Battle of Macao. The Dutch make a failed attempt to capture Macao. 1663 The Spanish garrison of Ivaro capitulates following the Portuguese victory at the Battle of Amaxial. Weather in Delhi will be heavy rains, wind in the next 3 days. Today's temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 32 degrees Celsius. The Bihar Legislative Assembly, also known as the Bihar Vidhan Sabha, is the lower house of the bicameral legislatures of the Indian state of Bihar. Pronunciation of some words: business, don't say business, do say business. Clothes, do say clothes, don't say clothes. This for that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः